Hi, it's Bernard Nomberg with the Nomberg Law Firm in Birmingham, Alabama. In this video, I want to talk about benefit review conference meetings that occur on the phone. In the last couple of years, particularly during the pandemic and after the pandemic, the state of Alabama Department of Labor has changed some of its policies to allow for the review and settlement and approval of workers' comp cases through benefit review conferences, either in person or for the convenience of the parties to be on the phone. I have other videos in this series where we talk about having them in person, and that's not the subject of today's video, but there's a link below that'll talk about if your BRC, as we call them, is in person, what that's about. But I want to share just for a few minutes how it works if you do them on the phone. Just like if it were in person, there's two documents that you're going to sign, amongst others, that the state of Alabama requires that we sign to formalize the settlement of your workers' comp case. The first document is called a memorandum agreement. It's a document that's put out by the state of Alabama, the Workers' Comp Division. And in that document, it memorializes all the terms of your settlement. It deals with all the disability payment, whether you have vocational, future medicals, whether there's a termination, subrogation issues. All of those things are going to be in this one-page document that all the parties to the settlement will sign. And we'll go over all of the specifics of yours before you sign anything. The other document is called the affidavit. This affidavit says that you are giving the right to be represented by counsel. You have the right to have it reviewed, your settlement, by a court. But in order for you to receive your money at the time of the settlement and signing, you're waiving what is known as the right to be in front of a court to have your case reviewed for 60 days out, or up to 60 days. You're waiving that right in this affidavit. This allows the parties to disperse the money as opposed to waiting those 60 days. These phone calls on the phone typically are going to be attended only by 4 people. It'll be yourself as the client. One of the attorneys from our office will be there on the phone with you. The state ombudsman from the Department of Labor, who will be conducting the short telephone conference, and then a representative from the insurance company or the employer will also be on the phone, typically the lawyer, not somebody from the company itself. These phone calls will last maybe 3 to 5 minutes tops, and they really want to just confirm 2 things. 1, that you understand all of the terms of the settlement agreement, and 2, that it conforms to Alabama workers' comp laws. If you have any questions or concerns about that, just give us a call. We will probably have already talked with you at length before that phone conversation takes place, but you're always welcome to call us at 205-930-6900, or you can look us up on the web at nomberglaw.com.